Every LLM has a knowledge cutoff. It doesn't know about your company's docs. It doesn't know about your codebase. It doesn't know about events after its training date. RAG solves this. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. Here's how it works in 3 steps. Step 1, store. You take your documents, PDFs, text files, code, anything, and convert them into vectors using an embedding model. Vectors are just lists of numbers that represent the meaning of text. You store these vectors in a vector database like ChromaDB or Pinecone. Step 2, retrieve. When a user asks a question, you convert that question into a vector too. Then you search the vector database for the most similar document chunks. Similar meaning equals similar vector. It's semantic search, not keyword search. Step 3, generate. You inject those retrieved chunks into the LLM's context window. Now the LLM has your private data as part of its input. It generates an answer grounded in your actual documents. Why does this matter for agents? Because now your agent can answer questions about anything you've given it. Your resume, your company docs, your codebase. In video 18, we'll build a RAG agent with LangGraph that reads your resume and answers questions about it. That's a real project you can put on GitHub. Next video, graphs. Why does LangGraph use a graph structure?